Kelsi with Peacock Family Chiropractic. We are MaxLiving office in Fishers, Indiana. Today I'm going to show you how to make turkey lettuce wraps. You can find the recipe in our MaxLiving Align Your Health book. And it's primarily our ground turkey, mushrooms, ginger, garlic, cashew butter or almond butter. And then instead of rice vinegar, I use apple cider vinegar, some sesame oil, and tamari, a little bit of water, and then you're gonna blend it all together. Up, I've also been taking my cabbage and cutting leaves off of it, and we'll put the turkey lettuce wraps inside the cabbage leaves, and then I like to top it with avocado, goat cheese, maybe some extra greens, so just some blend. It's really delicious.